And thank you for being here to see this video and giving me opportunity to present my final project for the Elec5619 course, which I'm taking at Sydney University at the moment. Okay, in my previous presentations, I have discussed the importance and significance of the relationship enhancement system and how the this system can help in improving our quality of our relationships and our life in general, and have positive impact on our life and society. Okay. So I will, in this video, I will briefly go through this I will briefly go through the user interface of the system, and before that I briefly introduce the concept in the system. So this system is based on the psychology theory, which is very well known and in the domain of self-improvement and relationship counseling. So these theory is called Myers and Briggs theory. So this theory, in this particular theory, they ask you different questions to categorize you in different classes, and each class has its particular behavior, and they try to model generalize and try to model your personal behavior and how you would behave in a particular situation, especially in terms of relationships. And there's another later in this this theory also discusses the compatibility between different personality types, and the success of if they are working together, how much chances of success they have. So this is a brief architecture. It's the architecture of the system, how the system is organized. So this is system is implemented as a microservice based architecture. So all the access to the microservices through the gateway service, which all of these services are behind a firewall, and user interface implemented in Angular has been implemented to access this services through the gateway, which is implemented in Zool, and all these technologies are implemented using Spring, Hibernate, and other Java and Spring based technologies. Okay, so I'll just go through the system now. Okay. Okay, so we have for the demonstration purpose, we have presented two imaginary profiles of two people, and we show how they are progressing in their relationships. Okay. Alright, so this is the main page of the home page of the website. It has some links to some what do you call it, articles and educational material. So when you click on it, you can see the original article on the website. Okay, so these are links to the external website. Okay, then every person who starts using this system is supposed to take a personality test to start with, and this system is designed in a way it can extend and introduce more tools if we have to, but at the moment this only one tool is implemented here. Okay, for convenience, I'm just gonna use I have to build this button so to avoid validation errors and save time. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, this responses are processed asynchronously, and once they are processed, you can have the your type, like what type of personality you have, and it can this is like like the profile of this person, and it mentions like it tells about your about yourself in general, and what type of person you are and how you feel in different situations. Similarly, your partner has a profile information as well, and you can see their information here. Okay, so okay, and then it mentions this screen mentions how the two partners in this system, you can have only one partner at a time. So it tells how two partners are progressing over the time. Okay, and these are the section for the psychological tools, and the concept is the these psychological tools and educational material are supposed to have a positive impact on you, and you can alter your behavior and try to become a different person, like a better person in terms of relationship, and and it can help you with your relationships and solve some help you like change your in your personality type as well. So once every like if you use these tools, and then you can retake the test, and you have your scores recorded like this. So it tells over the period of time, like you and your partner both take these type of tests, and it tells how you're progressing in terms of your relationship. So if you see this particular profile between two people, John and his partner, is it shows that they are they started from low, but they're eventually progressing, and for last 2-3 months they are stable, they are in high chances of success and they are stable and high chances of success. So that's how the system is trying to comment on this one. Okay, just have a quick look in our 1 or 2 tools. So each of these tools are designed by the experts and used by professionals in general, and we are using them with the so these are the these worksheets have instructions, and also tells what it's trying to achieve. All right, so that's our system, and thank you very much for your time. We also try to implement some more features, but because of the time we could not actually develop, like, but anyways, yeah, so this is our project for my project for Elec5619. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.